Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Does your family lose chargers like mine does? Recently, my son could not find his charger that came with his Nintendo Switch, and so we needed a new one. And this one by YCCSKY was a great replacement, very good price point, and it works just like the original. At first, I asked him why he couldn't just use a regular USB-C charger because we have tons of those, but he said this one has extra voltage and extra ampage. So it's a high-speed charger and it gives a little bit more power so that he can use it on his Nintendo Switch dock so he can play it on the TV. It's also nice. It has a 5 feet cord so he can plug it in and still play on the couch, which is fairly close to the outlet, but you don't have to be right next to the outlet. It works with his Nintendo Switch and it works with his Nintendo Switch Lite. It has these really nice grips and it fit into his Switch Lite and the dock perfectly. Very easy to plug in. So if you are needing a good replacement because you are constantly losing these things, I highly recommend this one.
And that's my point of view.